In order to understand the universe, one must understand the language in which it is written, and the language is mathematics. A warm welcome to respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, teachers, parents, and my dear students to this National Mathematics Day. Every year on 22nd December, we celebrate National Math Day in order to commemorate the birth anniversary of India's great mathematician Sir Srinivas Ramanujan. Indeed, it is a proud feeling for us Indians that India has produced such great mathematicians like Srinivas Ramanujan, Aryabhatta, Bhaskaracharya and many more. It was in the year 2012 that the former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh declared that the year 2012 as National Mathematics Year and December 22nd as National Mathematics Day. Sir Srinivas Ramanujan was very highly talented that at a very young age he was able to prove the concepts which were decided as unprovable. His love for mathematics was so great that he observed everything in every object, he observed mathematics. His life is an example for all of us and especially for dear students to inculcate the values of critical thinking and problem solving. On this National Math Day, let us pledge ourselves that we will take mathematics not as a difficult subject but as an easy subject and an enjoyable one. Let our young minds inculcate the zeal that our great mathematicians had and let them use their talent to make India a proud by their works in the field of mathematics. Thank you, and I wish you all a happy National Math Day.
Hello everyone, myself Urvi from grade 7. As we all know, we are celebrating the National Mathematics Day on the occasion of birth anniversary of Ramanujan. I take immense pleasure in speaking about a great mathematician, Srinivas Ramanujan. He was born on 22nd December 1887 in Erode, Madras. Though he had no formal training in pure mathematics, he made a substantial contribution in mathematical analysis, number theory, infinite series, continuous fractions, and the solutions to the problems which was considered as unsolvable. He compiled almost 3,900 results, the highly and the original unconventional results such as the Ramanujan prime, the Ramanujan theta function, the Mach theta function have opened entirely a new area of work and inspired a vast amount of further researches. The Goldbach's conjecture is one of the important illustrations of Ramanujan's contribution to the proof of conjecture. The numbers such as prime and composite number, the Fermat theorem, the hypogeometric series, cubic equations, etc. are some of the solutions of Ramanujan. Ramanujan became one of the youngest fellow of the Royal Society and the first Indian to be elected as a fellow in a Trinity College, Cambridge. Due to the ill health, Ramanujan died on 26 April 1920 at the age of 32. I end up wishing everyone a happy National Mathematics Day. Thank you.
Dear students, on the prestigious occasion of the National Math Day celebration dedicated to the birth of Sri Srinivasa Ramanujan, the great Indian mathematician, we, the maths teachers of Podar International School, Belagavi, would like to enlighten you with important and interesting facts in mathematics. So, we are presenting a PPT before you.
I, Reena Balakundri, would like to focus on beauty of mathematics in nature. Mathematics is the language of God in which He created the whole universe. Nature is beautiful, eye-catching and attracting only because maths is blended in nature. It is seen that all the objects follow certain pattern. One of such pattern is Fibonacci series. It is as presented in the slide.
I, Surekha Utturi, is introducing to you all the divine proportion, the golden ratio. It is seen commonly in every aspect of nature, whether living or non-living. The same is acknowledged in the slide below.
I am Anita Saugule. As we know, Sir Ramanujan was fond of numbers and very swift in compiling relations between them. I am informing you all about the relations of unique number 108. Do check it in what way it concluded for having aesthetic, scientific, and mathematical values.
I, Basava S. Inchal, is revealing an easiest way of reviewing the concepts of math learned. It is mind mapping, which signifies the content vividly and completely. Go through some examples shown in slide.
Hello students, I Sujata would like to introduce an interesting fact of Armstrong number. It relates with the concept of cubes of numbers. That means an Armstrong number is an integer such that the sum of the cubes of its digits is equal to the number itself. For more you can refer the slide.
Well students, we hope that the information shared was worth and enhanced your knowledge with respect to mathematics. Thank you, and let us all cheer up for the National Mathematics Day. Thank you once again.
गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. On the auspicious occasion of National Math Day, which is the birth anniversary of Srinivas Ramanujan, the great mathematician of India, I take an opportunity to brief you about the importance of Vedic math. Vedas means knowledge, eternal knowledge which has no beginning and no ending. The four Vedas are Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Sam Veda and Atharvan Veda. The Vedic math sutras are taken from the Atharvan Vedas. There are 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutras. These sutras were brought into the notice of the world by Sri Krishna Tirtha Swamiji, saint of India, Shankaracharya Mata, who is called the father of Vedic math. Using these sutras, we can solve any difficult sum within the fraction of a second. So today I am going to tell you the magic of Vedic maths, where no more maths is tedious and cumbersome but interesting and enjoying subject. The sutra I am going to tell you today is Antarvya Sutra, which is used to multiply 11 with any number, and it is very easy to multiply. Take an example, 45 multiplied by 11. When it has to be multiplied by 11, maximum you can add 2 numbers. So, write 5 as it is. 4 plus 5 is 9. Then write 4 as it is. So, 45 multiplied by 11 is 495. Our next example will take 86 multiplied by 11, where you have to carry over. Write 6 as it is. 8 plus 6 is 14. You can't write 14. So, just carry over 1 to 8. Then 8 plus 1 is 9. So what we did? 86 multiplied by 11 is 946. The advantage of Vedic maths is that you can increase your concentration and do any difficult sum within fraction of a second. Vidwan Sarvatra Pujate means knowledge is worshipped all over the universe. Same way, our country India is worshipped and adored because of our rich culture, heritage and tradition. So, Jai Hind, proud to be an Indian.